The OnePlus 13 is a well-rounded flagship with impressive features aimed at delivering top-tier performance. Here's a detailed review. The OnePlus 13 boasts a sleek design with unique finishes, such as a leather-like texture on the blue model and a wood grain effect on the black variant. It features an IP69 water resistance rating, making it more durable than many competitors. The compact design includes an alert slider, a fan favorite among OnePlus users. The 6.82-inch QHD Plus AMOLED screen supports a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and has a peak brightness of 4500 nits. It also introduces a segmental refresh rate technology, optimizing power efficiency by adjusting refresh rates for different areas of the screen. The OnePlus 13 features a versatile triple-camera setup, emphasizing high-resolution sensors and advanced features, a 50MP wide lens with a Sony LYT-808 sensor and optical image stabilization, OIS, for crisp, detailed shots. A 50MP telephoto sensor with a unique multi-prism design offering 3x optical zoom, and OIS, ideal for zoomed-in shots. A 50MP ultra-wide sensor with a 120-degree field of view. It supports resolutions up to 8K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 60 frames per second, along with Dolby Vision for dynamic visuals. The cameras also include Hasselblad enhancements, focusing on portrait and motion capture modes. The front camera is a 32MP shooter capable of 4K video at 30 frames per second, ensuring high-quality selfies and video calls. The OnePlus 13 is a powerhouse in terms of performance, thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor built on a 3nm architecture. It achieves impressive speeds of up to 4.32 GHz. The device is particularly optimized for gaming, with native 120 frames per second support and enhanced thermal management using a second-generation dual vapor chamber. This ensures sustained performance even during intensive gaming sessions. Additionally, it features the latest ColorOS 15, delivering a smooth user experience with advanced AI features. The OnePlus 13 offers a range of RAM and storage options, including 12GB RAM with 256GB or 512GB of storage, 16GB RAM with 512GB storage, and a high-end variant with 24GB RAM and 1TB of storage. All configurations use UFS 4.0 for fast read and write speeds. The OnePlus 13 comes equipped with a 6000 mAh battery, marking the largest battery in OnePlus flagship devices to date. This robust capacity supports up to 11 hours of video playback and 7 hours of navigation on a full charge. Impressively, even at just 1% battery, the phone can manage 56 minutes of texting or 13 hours of standby. It features 100W wired fast charging, capable of fully charging the device in about 36 minutes, and 50W wireless charging supported via magnetic accessories like specialized cases. This silicon-carbon battery is designed for higher energy density while maintaining a slim device profile. The OnePlus 13 features Android 15 out of the box, customized with Oxygen OS 15 for global markets and ColorOS 15 in China. Oxygen OS 15 introduces enhancements like parallel processing for smooth multitasking, advanced AI features. Pros: the 6.82-inch AMOLED screen offers a high-resolution pixel, 120Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 4500 nits. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset with up to 24GB of RAM and 1TB of storage, the OnePlus 13 handles multitasking in gaming with ease. The 50MP triple camera system co-developed with Hasselblad includes a periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and supports 8K video. A 6000 mAh battery, it supports 100W wired charging and 50W wireless charging. Cons: no expandable storage. While it offers ample internal storage, there is no microSD card slot for expansion. No 3.5mm headphone jack. Like many modern smartphones, it lacks a headphone jack. The OnePlus 13 is expected to be pricier than its predecessor, potentially reaching $799 or more, depending on the region. Conclusion: the OnePlus 13 is priced at approximately $630 in China, offering excellent value for its specifications. It combines premium design, powerful hardware, and innovative features, making it a standout in the flagship segment.